Okay, go.
We're making breakfast at 2:20 in the afternoon. It's a big pancake. Holy crap.
You're not gonna be able to flip. You gotta wait.
All retarded.
You gotta wait.
How?
Wait, it's not even done yet. Stupid.
This one's gonna burn. This is a fail. Pancake fail. Oh god.
Oh my god. What kind of pancake is that?
We're eating this one first.
Oh god. Never make pancakes with us. We will like burn down your house.
Alright. It's still battery.
All the other ones came out so nice. And that one came out like black. Michelle did it.
Oh, crap.
Bye! Say bye.